All right, hi everybody. It's time for our next craft kit to come out, and this time we are going to make a ladybug. If I get that straight. So you'll get a piece of red paper, a thin strip of black paper, some black dots, a little piece of pipe cleaner, a template for the face, and a template for a leaf. Now the leaf, you can either use it as is because it's got a nice green back outline, or you can copy it on the piece of green paper and use the green. I kind of like the green, so I'm going to use that. The first thing I want to do though is I'm going to use this kind of glue to glue the pipe cleaner. I've already shaped it like little antenna, you can see that. Just fold it in half and curl the ends down and you've got ladybug antenna. And then I'm going to use this glue. This works a little bit better on pipe cleaner, and I'm going to put some on there, and I'm going to glue it to the back of the ladybug. The ladybug head has a little flap, and you fold that down and it gives you something to glue onto. So you glue the antenna onto that flap. Give that some time to dry. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the black strip, I'm going to put glue on one side, oh no, I made a mess. Hold on. There we go. Doesn't need to be a lot of glue. Just enough to stick that little thin strip of black paper right down the middle of the red paper. Okay. Now the next thing I'm going to do is you're going to fold that into a circle, and you're going to glue one end to the other so it stays together in a circle. Just like that. Now you could put the dots on before this if you like, but I wanted to make sure my spacing is nice. Because those dots are going to go right across the back of the ladybug. You can do it this way. Just get those where you want them. Oh, it's stuck in my fingers. There we go, got it. Now we'll take and we'll put a little bit more glue on the back. Oh, that didn't stay now, did it? Hold on. More glue like that. And then a little bit more glue on the back of those antennae, because you're going to stick the antenna to the ladybug body. Like so. So you can still see the spots all down the back and the stripe and the head sticking out the front. Now I've taken and I've traced my template onto the green paper and cut it out already. So then we're just going to take and we're going to put some more glue on the back, and we're going to stick it to the leaf. And now you've got nice summer ladybug. Oh, and it'll stick as soon as that glue dries. But see?